This AI-made video has over 2.5 million views after being uploaded just 1 month ago. The channel itself is most likely making over $1,000 every day.
A good example has twice the value of good advice.
So for today, I'm going to try and create a similar video using AI tools, from the title of the video all the way to uploading it on YouTube, and see if I can start making any money. Firstly, let's create a channel. Done. Now let's work on some branding, starting with the channel name. Let's ask ChatGPT for some channel name ideas based on motivational quotes. Motivation Mastery. I like this one. Next up, let's make a profile picture. I found this website called hotpot.ai. Let's ask the AI to generate an image of an old, wise man. To finish up with the branding, we'll need a banner. I'm just going to use Canva for this since it's easy and free. Watch and learn, be inspired and achieve. I like it. Now for the challenging part, creating the videos. A YouTube video has 4 main components to it: the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the music, and the captions. We should be able to use AI to create each section and speed up our video creation process. Firstly, let's start with the script. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us 20 inspirational quotes that would help motivate anyone to achieve success. Perfect. Now that we have the script for the video, we'll need a powerful voice to read it out. I found a free tool called ElevenLabs that uses advanced AI technology to create realistic sounding voices. Let's copy and paste our quotes from ChatGPT and select the best sounding voice for our channel. Remember, this voice will also be part of our brand, so I'll make sure to use the same one for each video. Josh sounds like a good pick to me, with stability and clarity turned all the way up.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts.
Now that we've downloaded the voiceover, let's bring the audio into our AI video editor, Pictory.ai. This website has a powerful AI technology that automatically creates the videos for us based on the audio we give it. Click Edit Videos using text, upload our audio, then click Proceed. Perfect. The AI has created a video for us with subtitles. Let's move them to the center of our screen. I like the red label style. That looks good. Now all we have to do is find the right visuals for our video. First, click Customize Video, then click on Visuals. Now click Library and let's search for motivational videos and simply drag them onto each scene. Time to add some background music. Head to soundful.com. Let's choose meditation as a mood and hit preview. The AI has created a completely free to use background track for us. Now let's download and import our background music back into Pictory. Time to generate our video.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill, 1941. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt, 1902.
Okay, this is looking pretty good. Once we're done with that, we're gonna have to make a thumbnail for our video. Let's head back to Canva, click on YouTube thumbnail, and let's start with our background. We can find one on Google Images, upload that into Canva, and resize the image so that it fits the screen. Now it's time to add a quote. First, let's choose our style. I like Planet Arcadia. Remember, this style will also be part of our branding. Now let's write the quote. Remember to leave this part unfinished to intrigue people to click the thumbnail and find out what the rest of the quote is. Time to highlight some of the quote. Click on the draw tool, select our highlighter, and highlight over the keywords. Once we've done that, let's click our text again and bring its layout to the very front. Alright, I'm actually pretty happy with that. Now let's upload our video to YouTube and add in our thumbnail. All we need to do now is ask ChatGPT for a good title and video description. Let's paste those back into YouTube and we're done. Now, checking back to our original channel, it looks like they're only uploading 2 or 3 times a week. If you can use AI to create a video just like this 3 or more times a week, who knows how far your channel will go. Here's a similar channel that has just 11 AI made videos and they already have 33,000 subscribers. Try this out, and if your channel explodes, be sure to let me know in the comments. I would love to see your results. And if this video helped you in any way, hitting that like button would be amazing. Click here to find out how YouTube will change your life.